Guys, I'm going to show you how to reset your oil light in the 2004 Chevy Avalanche. So first, turn your key to the ignition on, and then let your odometer do its thing. After that, you're going to go press this button that looks like a little gas tank or something, and you're going to switch it till you find oil life. So what you're going to do is press down on your gas pedal 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Oil life reset, and then you're going to press it one more time. And it should be at 100%. Let's see. There you go. 100% oil life. That's how you do it.